Hey, welcome you all. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are here to back to give you unbiased review on the store that is moundreamy.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till the end because this review will help you to understand either moundreamy.com is scam or a legit company. So let's check out the details. It is an online shopping store that is selling various products like cooling towels for sport, fishing knot tying, tools, spring pipe, bridging tools, 8 in 1 portable multifunctioning snowflake shape wrench, 10 pieces lot disposable floor drain filters, stickers, kitchen sink, bathroom showers, towel, toilet sewer, hair catchers, etc. Like on their official website, they have mentioned their official address. They are offering a huge discount and it provides unrealistic heavy discount which is too good to be true to get from any legit site, and the content of the website is copied and it is plagiarized that make it more suspicious. As far as return and exchange policies are concerned, they have mentioned their return and refund policies, which say that in order to return an item, customer is responsible for shipping back, means you are supposed to bear the shipping costs, and it is found to be very unrealistic to be eligible to the return and exchange of items. So it is almost impossible to get the full payment back from these kind of website due to their confusing provision. As far as customer reviews are concerned, and if you are interested to contact them, the customer support as well as the delivery time of the site is similar to this site, are very poor as per the complaints received from the buyers of same kind of site. So in our final verdict, we can say that this website is seems very suspicious, and we are not going to recommend you at all to buy anything from this store. Rather, we are going to advise you to stay away from such website and save yourself and your money in return. And if you have any personal experience of shopping from mondreamy.com, please do share your personal experience of shopping from this store. We love to hear from you.